This is another math answer video. Only watch this video if you are doing lesson 17 module 3 homework on Eureka Math. I repeat, only module 3 lesson 17 on Eureka Math. Here are the answers. For number 1, the quotient is 3 with the remainder of 1. For number 2, the quotient is 36 with the remainder of 1. For number 3, the quotient is 1 with a remainder of 2. For number 4, the quotient is 15 with a remainder of 2. For number 5, the quotient is 2 with a remainder of 2. For number 6, the quotient is 28 with a remainder of 0. Okay? Those are all the answers for this homework.